If you had to choose between the F-16 Falcon and the F-15 Eagle, which aircraft would be your pick? Dubbed the undefeated Eagle, the F-15 is one of the few fighter jets with the most impressive air combat records in modern history. Over 100 air-to-air victories without ever being shot down in actual combat. To achieve this, the F-15 had to be on par with the fastest aircraft. Specifically, this Eagle has a speed of up to Mach 2.5. Additionally, the F-15 has a thrust-to-weight ratio of 1.07, meaning it can climb vertically like a rocket while maintaining its speed. But speed alone is not enough. The renowned strategy of the F-15 is detect early, fire first, take down the target. To implement this strategy, the F-15 is equipped with an APG-63 and APG-82 radars, which can detect the enemy aircraft at a distance of approximately 200 kilometers, along with 3 advanced missile systems: AIM-7 Sparrow, AIM-120 AMRAAM, AIM-9 Sidewinder, that made the renowned strategy become a reality. In close-range air combat, the M61 Vulcan 20mm cannon fires at an astonishing rate of up to 6,000 rounds per minute, allowing it to quickly eliminate targets with high effectiveness.